Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the battery cycle count on your MacBook. This is useful if you want to know your battery's health or see how much it's been used over time. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select About This Mac. In the window that appears, click on More Info. Now scroll down and click on System Report. Once the System Information window opens, look at the left sidebar and click on Power. On the right side, you'll see detailed information about your battery. Look for Cycle Count. This tells you how many full charge cycles your battery has gone through. You'll also see Condition, which shows the overall health of your battery, like normal or service recommended. And that's it. You've successfully checked your MacBook's battery cycles. Quick tip. Most MacBook batteries are designed to last around 1,000 cycles, so if your number is getting close, you might start noticing reduced battery performance. Alright, that's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical Mac tips. Thanks for watching.